What if I told you that the new generation of weapons being developed by the world's great powers could wipe out the planet in seconds? It may sound exaggerated, but it isn't. Donald Trump, Vladimir Putin, and other leaders have quietly pushed an arms race that has already crossed the line. A race where the goal is no longer to conquer territory, but to dominate the planet with systems capable of destroying any enemy before it can even react. We are not talking about tanks or traditional armies. We are talking about weapons that strike from space, missiles that fly faster than a meteor, autonomous platforms that decide and execute without human intervention, and nuclear systems designed to keep functioning even when the world is already in ruins. Today, on TechZNX, you are about to discover the 10 most brutal, advanced, and devastating weapons ever created by humanity. Real armament, operational, or in its final phase, designed not to deter, but to impose absolute power. So take a deep breath, because what you are about to see is not a warning. It is the reality of the world we already live in. Let's begin. Top 10. X-37B. It does not take off to fight. It takes off to watch, to wait, and to strike when no one sees it coming. The X-37B is one of the most secretive projects ever developed by the United States. An unmanned orbital vehicle, capable of remaining in space for years at a time, with no public flight path, no declared mission, and without any rival power truly knowing what it is doing up there. And that is precisely where its power lies. While countries protect their borders, their skies, and their seas, the X-37B operates from a domain that almost no one can defend. From low Earth orbit, it can monitor the entire planet, study enemy satellites, test classified military technologies, and prepare the ground for a war that would begin by shutting down the sky itself. Because today, without satellites, there is no modern war. No GPS, no secure communications, no guided missiles, no military coordination. The X-37B makes it possible to strike right there. It can blind satellites, interfere with space-based systems, deploy unknown payloads, and test orbital weapons without leaving clear attack signatures. There is no explosion. There is no missile on radar. Only a country that suddenly loses its eyes and ears. In a global conflict, the X-37B would not be the weapon that destroys cities. It would be the weapon that makes it possible to destroy them afterward, leaving the enemy completely defenseless before any visible offensive even begins. Trump pushed the real militarization of space. And the X-37B is proof that the next war will not begin on Earth. It will begin above, in silence. And by the time the world looks up at the sky, it will already be too late. That is why it opens this top 10, because whoever controls orbit controls everything below it. Top 9. AGM-183A ARRW. This is not a conventional missile. It is a weapon designed to arrive before defense even exists. The ARRW represents one of the most dangerous leaps in the history of modern warfare. Real hypersonic speed, launched from the air, on a trajectory so fast and unpredictable that today's missile defense systems simply cannot react in time. It is released from strategic bombers at high altitude. Seconds later, it accelerates to extreme speed, and by the time enemy radars detect it, it is already striking. That is its purpose. The ARRW is not meant to randomly bomb cities. It is designed to decapitate a country in the opening minutes of a conflict. Command centers, strategic radars, air defense systems, missile silos, and headquarters can vanish before the first order of response is even issued. What is most disturbing is that it does not need a nuclear payload to be devastating. At those speeds, the kinetic energy of the impact turns the strike into a blast capable of penetrating hardened bunkers and destroying critical infrastructure in seconds. In modern warfare, time is everything, and the ARRW breaks that logic. It gives no time to assess. It does not allow escalation. It leaves no room for negotiation. When the AGM-183A enters the equation, the war is already decided, because the enemy loses the one thing that matters most: the ability to react. Top 8. Avangard. It does not fly. It falls and maneuvers like nothing else on Earth. This Russian hypersonic system was designed with one very clear objective: to permanently shatter the idea of missile defense. While traditional ballistic missiles follow relatively predictable trajectories, Avangard does exactly the opposite. Once launched into space, it separates and glides at extreme speed, constantly changing direction, altitude, and attack angle. It does not follow a line. It gives no warning. It cannot be calculated with precision. And that is where its true terror lies. Radars detect it, but they do not know where it is going. Missile defense systems try to intercept it, but they never arrive in time. A Vanguard can carry nuclear warheads and strike strategic targets at such extreme speed that the impact happens before there can even be a coordinated response. Capitals, command centers, military bases, and critical infrastructure can disappear without the attacked country having any real time to react. What is most unsettling is the message it sends. Vanguard is not meant to start a war. It is meant to prove that no Western defense is enough. Trump accelerated American hypersonic projects. Putin answered with Vanguard to make one thing clear. In this race, no one is safe. In a global conflict, Vanguard would not be the most visible weapon, but it would be one of the most decisive. Because when a country realizes it cannot defend itself, war stops being an option and becomes a sentence. Top 7. Poseidon. It is not a missile. It is not a submarine. It is a nuclear sentence traveling underwater. This Russian autonomous underwater drone was conceived for an extreme scenario, destroying entire countries without directly attacking their cities. It moves at great depth, at high speed, without a crew, and with virtually unlimited range. Detecting it in time is, in practice, almost impossible. And when it reaches its destination, it does not strike a base. It strikes the ocean. Poseidon is designed to detonate a high-yield nuclear warhead underwater, creating a devastating combination of blast wave, radiation, and massive water displacement. The result is not a localized explosion. It is the annihilation of entire coastal regions. Ports erased. Naval bases rendered useless. Coastal cities devastated. And vast areas contaminated for decades. What is most disturbing is not only the physical destruction. It is the strategic effect. A Poseidon strike can make an entire coastal strip uninhabitable, collapse the economy of a sea-dependent country, and create millions of displaced people without needing to bomb deep inland. There is no missile defense system that can stop it. There is no naval shield that can guarantee interception. Putin conceived it as a weapon of absolute punishment. If Russia falls, the coastal world falls with it. Poseidon is not meant to win a war. It is meant to make sure no one survives losing one. That is why it takes this position. Because it turns the ocean into the most silent and terrifying weapon ever created. Top 6. Directed energy weapons. They do not explode. They do not make noise. And that is exactly why they are so dangerous. Directed energy weapons, known as DEWs, represent one of the biggest leaps in the history of modern warfare. High-power lasers and military microwave systems capable of destroying, blinding, or disabling targets without the need for missiles or bombs. There is no fire here. No craters. There is something worse. Total shutdown. These systems can shoot down drones in flight, disable missiles before they strike, blind optical sensors, destroy radars, and fry the electronics of command centers, military bases, and critical networks in a matter of seconds. Everything happens at the speed of light, with no detectable trajectory and no reaction time. What is truly disturbing is their strategic use. A country may have armies, aircraft, and missiles. But if it loses its sensors, its communications, and its power grid, it stops existing as a functional military power. DEWs make that possible. Satellites blinded without an explosion. Data centers collapsed without a visible strike. Air defenses turned into electronic scrap without firing a single projectile. In a modern invasion, these weapons are ideal for Phase 0, the moment when the enemy still believes it is at peace, but has already been completely neutralized. Trump strongly pushed these systems to reduce costs, accelerate response times, and eliminate dependence on traditional ammunition. Putin and China followed the same path. The result is a world where war can begin without anyone even knowing exactly when it happened. Directed energy weapons do not conquer territory. They conquer the invisible infrastructure that keeps a country alive. And when that infrastructure falls, the war is already lost. Top 5. RS-28 Sarmat. The Sarmat was not created to attack. It was created to make sure nothing survives. This Russian intercontinental ballistic missile represents the most extreme level of modern nuclear deterrence. It is enormous, brutally powerful, and designed specifically to break through any existing or future missile defense system. Unlike traditional ICBMs, the Sarmat does not follow predictable trajectories. It can attack from unexpected angles, even flying over poles or routes that radars are not prepared to cover. And when it enters its final phase, it releases multiple independent nuclear warheads, each capable of destroying an entire city. But the most disturbing thing is not its payload. It is its philosophy. The Sarmat was conceived under one clear logic. If Russia is attacked, the entire world will pay the price. It can carry high-yield nuclear warheads, hypersonic glide vehicles like Avangard, and penetration systems designed to confuse, saturate, and destroy missile defense networks. In practice, no shield can stop a coordinated Sarmat attack. In a matter of minutes, capitals, industrial centers, military bases, and economic hubs could disappear from the map. There is no negotiation once this missile is launched. There is no second chance. Putin has described it bluntly as a weapon that forces any enemy to think twice. The reality is even harsher. It forces them to never think about it at all. The RS-28 Sarmat is not meant to win a war. It is meant to make sure no one dares to start one. Top 4. DF-41. This is not just China's most powerful missile. It is proof that global missile defense is no longer enough. This intercontinental ballistic missile was designed around one very clear idea: to saturate, deceive, and break through any defensive shield, no matter how advanced it may be. It can be launched from silos, mobile platforms, and even concealed routes, making it almost impossible to neutralize before launch. But its real terror lies in what it carries. The DF-41 can deploy multiple independent nuclear warheads, each with its own target. That means a single missile can strike several cities or strategic bases at the same time, overwhelming radars and interception systems until they become useless. While defensive systems try to track one warhead, another 5, 6, or more are already on the way. What is most disturbing is its range and precision. It can strike virtually any point on the planet, including the continental United States, with an accuracy designed to destroy command centers, critical infrastructure, and key military nodes. China did not conceive it as a warning weapon. It conceived it as a guarantee of total destruction if a certain line is crossed. In a global war, the DF-41 would not be the first shot. It would be the final message. Because when a country proves it can pierce any shield and strike multiple targets at once, defense stops existing as a concept. Top 3. Rods from God. This is not a bomb. It is not a missile. It is gravity turned into an absolute weapon. Rods from God is one of the most extreme concepts ever imagined. Tungsten projectiles launched directly from space. They carry no explosives, create no radiation, and need no detonators. Their power comes from something much simpler and much more terrifying: pure speed. When one of these rods falls from orbit, it impacts at hypersonic velocity, releasing energy comparable to a tactical nuclear weapon. But without a mushroom cloud, without radioactive contamination, and without a clear signature that reveals who launched it. And that is where the real danger lies. There is no radar that detects it in time. There is no missile defense system built to intercept something falling vertically from space. There are no sirens, only a flash, and the target ceases to exist. Underground bunkers pulverized, buried command centers erased from the map, military bases destroyed without warning, all within seconds. In modern warfare, rods from God would be the perfect weapon for eliminating what is supposed to be untouchable: protected leaders, deep installations, nuclear shelters, surgical strikes with devastating strategic effect delivered from a domain that no one can defend. It does not contaminate. It leaves no nuclear trace. It does not force an official declaration of total war, but it destroys just the same. That is why this system takes the number 3 position, because it turns space into judge, executioner, and final weapon. When punishment falls from the sky, there is no appeal. Top 2. Ohio-class submarines. They cannot be seen. They cannot be heard. And that is exactly why they are unstoppable. The Ohio-class nuclear submarines are the most lethal strike platform ever built by human hands. While the world looks to the sky for aircraft or watches borders for armies, these giants move hidden beneath kilometers of water for months at a time, without leaving a trace. Each one carries Trident II D5 ballistic missiles, and each missile can deploy multiple independent nuclear warheads. That means a single submarine has the ability to strike dozens of strategic targets separated by thousands of kilometers in a single launch. Capitals, military bases, industrial centers, political and economic command nodes. Everything can disappear before the attack is even confirmed. What is truly terrifying is not just its power, it is its certainty. An enemy may try to destroy air bases. It may strike land silos. It may even hit command centers, but it cannot eliminate what it cannot locate. The Ohio class guarantees the so-called second strike, even if the United States were hit first. Even if everything on land were destroyed, these submarines would still be down there, intact, ready to respond. In total war, their purpose is not to warn. It is to ensure that the enemy's defeat becomes inevitable. There is no naval defense capable of neutralizing them with certainty. There is no missile defense system capable of stopping a full salvo launched from the ocean. Ohio-class submarines do not conquer territory. They impose a far more brutal truth. If the conflict escalates, no one wins. And that is why they take the number 2 position. Because when war comes from the deep sea, the ending is already written. Top 1. The nuclear triad. This is not a weapon. It is the ultimate system of total destruction. The nuclear triad is the summit of modern military power. It does not depend on a single missile, a single aircraft, or a single base. It is an architecture designed for one mission only: to guarantee that no enemy survives if the final line is crossed. It operates in 3 dimensions at the same time. From the air, strategic bombers capable of carrying nuclear weapons, changing targets mid-flight, and remaining airborne for hours while waiting for the final order. From land, intercontinental missiles protected inside hardened silos, ready to launch in minutes, even under nuclear attack. And from the sea, invisible submarines patrolling in silence with enough power to erase entire civilizations without warning. If one element falls, the other 2 respond. If 2 are neutralized, the third guarantees the ending. That is what makes the nuclear triad unstoppable. There is no missile defense system capable of stopping a coordinated strike from air, land, and sea at the same time. There is no real shelter, no possible negotiation, and no margin for error once this system is fully activated. In total war, the triad is not used to conquer territory. It is used to force immediate surrender, or to erase the enemy from the map. Capitals disappear. Global infrastructure collapses. Entire economies cease to exist. And the planet enters a phase of chaos that cannot be reversed. The nuclear triad is not a rhetorical threat. It is a strategic certainty, and that is why it occupies the number 1 position. Because when this system enters the equation, it is no longer a war that is being decided. It is whether the world continues or ends. And there you have it, the most extreme new generation of weapons ever created by humanity. They are not impossible prototypes. They are not conspiracy theories. They are real systems, developed while the world looks the other way. Weapons that strike from space, that neutralize defenses in seconds, that leave no time to react. And that, if ever activated in a coordinated way, would not just change a war, they would change the fate of the planet. The question is no longer whether these weapons exist. The question is, who will dare to use them first? Do you think these superweapons are meant only for deterrence? Or are we living through the final years before irreversible lines are crossed? Leave your opinion in the comments. And if you want to keep discovering the most secret, extreme, and terrifying weapons on Earth, subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications. Because on TechZNX, reality is always one step ahead of fiction.